guys, it's me, Alegra. I thought it'd be fun today to put together a Princess Jasmine from the movie Aladdin inspired look. So that's what I went ahead and did. I used my Colourpop It's a Princess Thing palette. So if you'd like to see how I created this look using the Colourpop It's a Princess Thing palette, then just keep watching. I also have a surprise giveaway hidden in this video, so also be on the lookout for that. How you can take part to enter and win and all kinds of good stuff. So just keep watching, guys, if you'd like to see my tutorial for this Princess Jasmine inspired look. So the first thing, guys, I'm just going to take my paint stick, and you can definitely use the NYX Milk Stick, which is equally as amazing. This one I think is sold out or no longer being made. It's from MAC. It's their Pro Longwear Waterproof Color Stick in flat white. So I'm just going to use this all over my eye as a base. And then I'm just going to make it really nice and smooth it out with, this is just a synthetic brush, a flat type of, you know, a really, just any kind of synthetic brush is good. I really like this kind though because you can carve out your brows with it. So I'm gonna carve out my brows with this. Bring it all the way over, and you're all the way out here as well, like into that tear duct area, but all the way out towards your nose. So when we put our shadow there, it'll really pop. And I just got this eye primer from Anastasia. This is kind of like a very small kind of size that she sells. This is about $13 at Ulta. So I'm going to put this on as well because I feel like this paint stick is just, it's coming out streaky. So even with my NYX stick, sometimes I feel like it looks streaky. So if that's the case, you can just go ahead and put your regular, a more emollient primer right over it, because it was coming out very dry and streaky. So you definitely want it to be a smooth base. So you can also put your concealer. Normally I do use my concealer as a eye base, but because I want this look today to be really bright, that's why I put that white paint stick down first. I don't want to waste this product. Let me just put it, I'm just going to put it over here just for now. This is super emollient, super creamy. This is the Anastasia eye primer. So I'm actually just going to put this right, because I took out too much product, so I'm going to go ahead and just put it right on this eye. So actually, it doesn't look that much brighter without the shade stick, so you know, you can probably just skip the shade stick then, because this is super bright. So actually you don't need to use the shade stick. This is my first time using it, that's why I didn't realize it was going to come out so bright white, but that's really amazing. It's really nice. It's so creamy. It's so smooth. So it's really nice. Yeah, so definitely I think you could skip the shade stick. Or what do you guys see a difference? If you see a difference, then definitely you can use your shade stick first. So let's go right in with this is the Colourpop Princess, It's a Princess Thing palette. I kept calling it the Cinderella palette, I don't know why. But I really want to just do something a little different today. I've been wearing this a lot, and I just, you know, I'll wear the warm tone shades throughout the day, which you guys, I'm sure, you know, everybody, you know, that's, you know, pretty, you know, they come out beautiful. I wear these, like, you know, every day for an everyday look, the warm shades. But today I want to just do something a little different. So I'm going to pack this shade Prince Charming all over my lid. So I'm just going to dig right in with a flat shader type of brush. This is my e.l.f. brush. I just love this brush. So let's just pack that right all over the lid. This is something that I learned from Dress Your Face. I don't know if you guys know Dress Your Face, but she calls this the press and pull. So she said you press it and pull it down. As you guys can see, my natural crease is right here, very, very low, but I just go right over my crease because, you know, you can just ignore it. Just once you cover it with makeup, you're not gonna notice it anymore. So you can go ahead and just cover that puppy up because, you know, let's make it do what we want it to do. We're gonna give the illusion of a bigger eyelid. So now, because I've done that, my eyelid looks like it's up here, but it's not. It's really very, very low. But go ahead and pack this shade Prince Charming all over your lid space, all over this. I call it where your eyeball kind of is right in there. That's where I kind of put it. So let's put that in the tear duct because it looks so pretty. And then I always like to wet the shadows too with my beauty mist because it's going to make them come out even more iridescent. So I'll go ahead and I'll take my beauty mist and wet it and then put on some more of the same shadow. It's just going to come out much more shimmery now. The beauty mist just makes the colors just pop so much more. And it makes everything last longer as well. So now I'm going to take a slim fluffy brush. This is the Colourpop E9. And I'll take this pink shade and just dig right in. And let's just put that right over. Ooh, that is a really pretty pink. It's very pigmented. Let's just put that right above the Prince Charming, the white shade that we just laid down. And just, it's really pigmented, so actually you don't have to do hardly anything. Just kind of sketch it out like that. I always like to bring my shadow out a bit because I like to make my eyes look bigger. So if you bring your shadow out a little bit, you're going to get a little bit of a bigger looking eye. So I kind of just flick it out. This is really amazing because it's already like, it looks perfect just like that. Wow. I'm just going to do the same on the other eye, but wow. And make sure you always hold your brushes at the end of the brush because it just is going to help you give the perfect application. And then I like to flick it out, but if you don't want to flick it out, you definitely don't have to. You could make it more circular and just keep it like that. But I like to kind of, like I said, make my eyes look bigger. So that's why I bring it out. And then let's smudge some underneath. This color is so beautiful. I can't believe it. A lot of pinks don't show up on me because I'm pretty fair, but this pink is really, really gorgeous. So now we'll take a clean short hair fluffy brush. So something like this Morphe, I think this is M562. Something very, very small. And then you could just very, very gently just blend your edge. Everything has to be done with very, very gentle pressure. Because if you press too hard, your shadows will get, you know, like rubbed off. They'll get diluted. So if you want to keep your shadows really pigmented, then definitely you just want to use the lightest pressure possible. Actually, I'm going to dip right back into that pink again and just bring it back. And now I'm going to take some of this kind of vibrant purple, Poison Apple. And I'm going to take what is a lip brush, and let's just dip right into that and carve, just make it even more intense now. So just right where that white meets the pink, just going to make kind of like a line. That's going to also give you the illusion of a bigger lid space if you don't have one. So now I'm going to go into this purple shade because I want to deepen it up some more. So let's go ahead and put some of that now. And actually I'm going to go back over that purple shade back with our Poison Apple. And definitely tap too, because make tapping motions, because that's going to make it come out more intense when you tap the shade. So sometimes you want to, you know, blend, and then sometimes you want to build intensity and tap. And then I'm going back in with that Juju, that baby pink. Oh my god, it's such a gorgeous color. So I'm loving that. Wow. And let's see here. Let's bring back some more of the white because it seems to have gotten a bit, you know, diluted with all the other colors. So let's bring it back. And let's put some on the brow bone now. So now I'm going to go ahead and take a smudger type of brush, and I'll go back in with Poison Apple and just smudge that on our lower waterline. And now my favorite, I always love using my Urban Decay liners, so I'm going to use my alkaline liner and just go ahead and smudge that right in. my lower water and my upper waterline. So I'm going to go ahead and put on my lashes, and then I'll put on some wing liner, and I'll be right back. So I'm just going to try this new Urban Decay Perversion. This is their waterproof fine point eye pen. So I've never tried this before, and I'm going to give this a try today. It looks really nice. Ooh, it looks really nice and sharp. This is really nice. This is very firm and sharp and precise. Wow, guys, because this is so firm and oh my god, it's like staying put perfectly. I can do a really winged out eye, drying immediately, and it's so fine. The tip is so fine and you have so much control. Wow. So I'm just gonna put on some mascara. This is the Lancome Big Monsieur. So I'm just gonna put on some Hoola bronzer. Okay, we can finally do our lips. This is my MAC Nightingale lip pencil. And then this is the Colourpop Ultra Glossy Ultra Blotted Lip in Double Double. So dolls, this is the finished look. Oh my god, I cannot believe how these shadows in the It's a Princess Thing palette, they just really leave you feeling like actually like a real life princess. Crazy. Even the warm tone shades, when I wear the warm tone shades and I just pull out that palette, I just feel very, you know, princess-like. So I am having a giveaway today, dolls, and what I'm giving away is this beautiful Laura Geller blush in Tropic Hues. This is her baked and blush and brightened baked blush. This Stila, this is the Shimmer and Glow, and I also have for the giveaway this BH Cosmetics Stellar Lash. It's like a deluxe size sample. This Stay Matte from Rimmel. And oh, and I have this beautiful Vera Bradley purse, so you can use this as a crossbody, you can use it for a bunch of stuff. It's absolutely gorgeous, this beautiful royal blue shade, so I figured that was perfect for our giveaway today. And you can put all your stuff inside. It has like a credit card holder and all kinds of holders and good stuff in here. So all of this is in the giveaway for today. So thank you guys so much for coming and hanging out with me today. Let me know if you saw the Aladdin movie. What did you guys think? I haven't seen it yet. I am like, oh, I'm going crazy trying to see it, but I just never have time. So, and I definitely want to see it in the movie theater because it doesn't have like all kinds of special graphics, and so I want to see it in the movie theater. I gotta leave the house, guys. It's crazy. But I know a few of you beauties told me that you went to see it, so let me know what you guys think. How was it? How was Will Smith as the genie? That looked amazing in the commercial. Oh my god, I gotta see it, guys. So thanks so much for coming and hanging out with me today. To enter the giveaway, all you have to do is comment below your favorite Disney movie. Just comment your favorite Disney movie below and you'll be entered into my giveaway. I'll be picking the winner next week, so keep your eyes and ears open, and we'll be having lots more giveaways. So I can't wait to see who wins this one and all of our future giveaways. So amazing giveaways that are coming up. Thank you guys again for hanging out with me. I hope you're all doing good, and I'll see you soon. Bye. Love you.